Welcome to Nero's world. Nero, what are we doing today?
Making a snow volcano with the snowman not too big because the snow volcano is going to rub so big and it's going to be happy for the snowman to get the not too wet.
Yep. So little snowman was hoping to have some snow today. So we're going to see if we can do a volcano experiment. Let's look at some of the ingredients we have.
We have vinegar and we have
So we have vinegar, dish soap, baking soda, food coloring.
And food too.
So what we've done inside is we've mixed the baking soda and the food coloring and dish soap into the volcano. And now all we need to do is add the vinegar.
Yeah, because we're going to do that cup too.
Yep. All right, little snowman. Are you ready?
He says, yep.
Yep. Little snowman says he's ready. Nero, are you ready?
Yep. Perfectly ready.
Okay. So you're going to slowly pour this cup of vinegar into the volcano. Ready? Go! Whoa! Whoa! Look at all that snow!
Oh.
Keep going, keep pouring. Let's see if we can get some more. Whoa! Holy cow! It's erupting! Oh my gosh, look, there's so much. Oh no, you're gonna drown in it, little snowman. Oh no!
But he still up because there are two more pieces to lay him up. But his bottom piece, that's delayed because his legs are drowning.
Yeah. Oh no, Mr. Snowman, how do you feel?
He feels comfortable in the snow.
He feels comfortable in the snow? All right. Well, I thought we'd do it one more time. And this time, I've got a little surprise. You ready?
Surprising. Little surprising. Little surprise.
So this time,
We're going to close.
I've added food coloring. Last time didn't have food coloring. So let's see what happens when we use food coloring. So here's a fresh cup. Oh, my hands got all sticky. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It's blue this time. Holy cow!
He's almost drowning too.
Oh, it's gonna spill off the counter.
Wait, he's stuck. See?
Oh my goodness.
That's a amazing superpower.
Yeah. Yay, blue snow. Do you love it, Nero? Is it Nero World's approved?
Yep. Perfect proof.
Well, this was so much fun. We're gonna play in it. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh. Lap injured. No, that's so erupting. And there's snowman and dinosaur and they maybe do that.
Let me play Spider-Man. Oh no. Oh, he's so frothy. Oh no. Pour more in the volcano. Let's see what happens. Inside the volcano. Oh. It's a snow erupt. Oh no. Oh no.
I told you, Spider-Man, I gotta erupt soon. It's a blue volcano, remember, Spider-Man? And it's erupting on Black Ranger.
Oh no. Where is Black Ranger? We gotta save him.
Look, that colored Black Ranger.
Oh, I've got you, Black Ranger. It's going to be okay. Breathe. Oh, I think he's okay. Nero, help him.
He's breathing.
Oh, good. You ready to play, Black Ranger?
Well, okay. Hey, Neil's mom.
Yeah.
Get pour some more in there. See what happens. We need more soap.
So let's grab some more vinegar.
I'll try that.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh!
More soap. There is.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It goes on forever! Just a little bit of baking soda and dish soap just goes on forever!
Ow! The soap is hot.
Oh no, is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Hot snow! Oh, what are we gonna do?
I got the hose to make it cool.
Oh, much better.
Yep. Uh-oh, this feels like a trap.
Oh no! We gotta help him! Dinosaur, knock it over!
But dinosaur is too strong for you.
Oh no!
But
Here, let's use some snow. It'll melt it. Ready?
it's too strong for that too.
Oh no! What are we gonna do?
Well, somebody build a strong trap somewhere. Can you do it, Snowman? Yes. So I want to build a trap for a bad fireman. But you, fireman. I'm going to trap you.
Oh no! I'm trapped. Whatever are we gonna do?
I'm going to
I know.
trap you. That danger.
Dinosaur, reload the volcano, and it'll stop the evil snowman. All right, we gotta reload it. We gotta reload it quick. Hold on.
Where we reload it? Mom, Neil's mom, reload it.
Ready?
Fast. I get you stop.
Ah ha ha!
Now we go.
Now you're trapped. We're
Ding.
free. We're free.
Yeah, it's free. No. Sorry for the eagle snowman, and no soap for the eagle snowman. Now,
We have saved the day.
and this soap button hands. Trap it in this soap for the eagle snowman won't stop.
Dun dun dun.
Sell some ants.